39, the last of our openers, solved by completing the square. 3 doesn't go into all of them, but I still do need to factor out an x. 3x squared plus 14x minus 150 equals 0. So I know 0 is one of my solutions. By the way, in the prior problem, 0 was also a solution. X also equals 0. I don't want to forget that, because I figured it out up here. So x is 0. Always good to just write it and circle it. That way you don't forget it later in the answer. So now I'm just dealing with 3x squared plus 14x, and I'm going to add 150 to both sides, equals 150. I'm not ready to complete the square yet, because I have to take my a value and make it 1. So x squared plus 14 thirds x. I know you hate these kind of numbers, but they do exist in life, so I wanted to make sure you were exposed to them. And now I'm thinking plus what? Plus what? Well, I'm going to take half of my b value and square it. So this 14 thirds, half of 14 thirds is 14 sixths. Squared is, 14 squared is 196 over 36. So I'm going to add 196 36 to both sides. So this becomes x plus half of b, which is 14 sixths, squared, equals, to get my 50 to 36, I multiply top and bottom by 36. 50 times 36, 1800. So this becomes 1996 over 36. And now I can solve that by taking the square root of both sides. X plus 14 sixths equals plus and minus the square root of 1996 over 6. Subtract 14 sixths from both sides. X is equal to minus 14 plus and minus the square root of 1996 over 6. Interim answer, I'm going to probably look for the perfect squares in 1996. At least something that I can pull out. Do I know 9 goes in? If the numbers add up to something divisible by 9, then 9 goes in. So 1 plus 9 is 10, plus 9, 19, plus 6, 25. 9 doesn't go into that. 6 doesn't go in. 8. 8. 8. I don't think 8 goes in. That's a pretty gruesome number. So I know 2 goes in. Let's pull 2 out at least. So 2 times 998. And I know in 998 is a 2. So I know at least 4 comes out of this. This is 2 times 4. 98. 496. 499. Sorry, 499. So this is square root of 4 times square root of 499. So this could be simplified to minus 14 plus and minus 2 root 499 all over 6, which I can divide everything by 2, so minus 7 plus and minus square root of 499 over 3. Again, this is the most gruesome of the examples. I wanted to keep building to build your tolerance, because fractions exist and perfect squares exist in square roots, and we need to try to simplify as far as we can. So don't use this to get scared. Just use this to know that I'm kind of trying to build your tolerance up to, numbers are numbers. They don't have to be neat and pretty. They still are useful and meaningful.